This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the battery-operated thread burner from Sailrite. Now you can seal the raw ends of thread with this battery-operated thread burner. It's a quick heating handheld tool that's perfect for the DIYer. Here we have sewn this leather using a pre-waxed twine. To finish the stitch, we will use the thread burner to cut the twine and then melt the end slightly. Then we'll push on it with our finger to create a mushroom head that will not easily pull through the leather. This thread burner from Sailrite allows for precise application of heat, and it replaces the use of a lighter, which is sometimes used to seal the ends of threads, twines, and even small ropes. Here we're using it to seal the end of this braided line. Sometimes fabrics unravel. You can use the thread burner to seal the end of the fabric again. As long as it's a synthetic fabric, it'll work great. Order the battery-operated thread burner from Sailrite today.